Hello, friends. Welcome to the HTML Complete course. This course for those who want to learn how to design and build websites from scratch. I divided this course into 8 chapters, so you can easily understand all the concepts of HTML. So, are you ready, friends, to learn? Let's, without wasting time, start Chapter 1. Chapter 1 Introduction. Which topic is going to cover today? The first topic of this chapter is about what is HTML. Then we will see the structure of the pages. Also, we will learn what is tags and attribute, in-depth knowledge about the head, title, and body. The most interesting part, we will create our first website. And in last we see the summary of the chapter. What is HTML? You may know that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The hypertext part refers to the fact that HTML allows you to create links that allow visitors to move from one page to another quickly and easily. A markup language allows you to annotate text, and these annotations provide additional meaning to the contents of a document. If you think of a web page, we add code around the original text we want to display, and the browser then uses the code to display the page correctly. So the tags we add are the markup. HTML use for designing and building a website. HTML language is a group of elements. And what do elements? Elements tell a browser how to display the content. Next comes the structure of pages. Simple basic things I'll explain here. Whatever is written between HTML opening and closing tags as HTML code. And whatever is written between body tags will display in the main browser window. Now words between H1 tags are heading. Last, paragraph text comes between P tags. Let's understand the tags and attribute. The characters in the brackets indicate the tag's purpose. For example, in the tags above, the P stands for paragraph. The closing tag has a / after the left angle bracket symbol. Most important things, the terms tag and element are often used interchangeably. Attributes provide additional information about the contents of an element. They appear on the opening tag of the element and are made up of 2 parts, a name and a value, separated by an equal sign. The attribute name indicates what kind of extra information you are supplying about the element's content. It should be written in lowercase. The value is the information or setting for the attribute. It should be placed in double quotes. Different attributes can have different values. Here an attribute called lang is used to indicate the language used in this element. The value of this attribute on this page specifies it is in US English. Friends, if you have any doubt, comment it, I'll try to give a solution there. And you can find the notes and source code links in the description below. Please subscribe to the channel, it's motivated me to create a new video. Don't forget to like and share. Next, body. Everything inside this element is shown inside the main browser window. Head. Before the body element, you will often see a head element. This contains information about the page. You will usually find a title element inside the head element. Title. The contents of the title element are either shown at the top of the browser, above where you usually type in the URL of the page you want to visit, or on the tab for that page. Now, let's create our first website. For that, let's open the Visual Studio Code. Then open the specific folder where you want to create and save files. Click on the New File icon. It's our first website, so we name it firstwebpage.html. Before writing code, I will suggest you make a habit of closing tags once you open the tags. So, you will not get any error in the last. Write HTML opening and closing tag. we are going to add a title tag inside the head tag. Let's make the title Ruxit Forever First web page. Let's create a body tag. Now we are adding the H1 tag for the heading. Which heading we can make? Make it Welcome to a new page. Use tag P for paragraph. If I write lorem 15, then it will automatically write random 15 texts for me. I don't need to write a full paragraph. For seeing a result, right-click on the file and open it with a live server or any browser. Here you can see a title on the top of the website. And in the main window of the browser, you can find the heading and paragraph. Now time to recall the chapter. HTML pages are text documents. HTML uses tags, characters that sit inside angled brackets, to give the information they surround special meaning. Opening tags can carry attributes, which tell us more about the content of that element. Attributes require a name and a value. You can find the notes and source code links in the description below. Please subscribe to the channel, it's motivated me to create a new video. Don't forget to like and share. So, that's it for Chapter 1, Introduction. I will see you in Chapter 2 text.